morning, I'm Dr. Deuk with the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm sitting here with one of my lovely patients that we did surgery yesterday on April 1st, 2020. Now, tell me a little bit about why you came to Deuk Spine Institute.
To get my back fixed.
And what was wrong with your back?
It was very painful from a four-wheeler accident, and I couldn't hardly walk.
Okay. And we determined that your pain was coming from herniated discs. And we did what procedure yesterday? Do you remember the name?
I don't.
Deuk laser disc repair. That's okay. So, how did you find out about Deuk Spine Institute?
A friend. You did her mother.
I did her mother's surgery.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it worked, obviously.
Yeah, she used to work for you.
Got it. And now you're one day after having surgery. How are you feeling?
I feel great.
And your surgery was when? Yesterday?
Yesterday.
Okay. That pain you had in your back before surgery, do you still have it?
Nope.
It's gone.
Most of it, yep.
All right. You still have some soreness where I cut you and went in.
Oh yeah.
But the pain that you had in the lower back that you had before surgery, you don't feel that anymore?
I don't.
All right. So we have another cure with the Deuk laser disc repair. What are you going to do now that your back is fixed?
I'm going to start doing a lot of walking that I hadn't been able to do before, and exercise.
All right. Any traveling?
Well, I gotta go home tomorrow.
So where is home for you?
Montana.
Yeah, and this is the lady that helped me with the saddle. I was telling her that last time I rode a horse about a month ago, it was killing my hips, and she told me what?
Saddle?
That I need a balanced saddle.
Balanced ride.
Balanced ride, balanced ride. So, thank you.
Well, thank you so much.
Next time I'm on a horse, I'm going to be thinking about you. You know that.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Have a nice day.
All right.